Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a bit of a close-up look at my latest design. This is the Log Cabin Waffle Blanket. So I did film a complete stitch demo, which will show you exactly how to create these squares. They are 17 inches wide, and they are made up of double crochet and front post double crochet, worked in a way that creates a reversible waffle texture, so you have that same texture on both sides. And I'm using two contrasting colors, sort of a earth tones neutral color, and then this purple blue green sort of toned. This is the yarn I'm actually using for this blanket. It's Motivera Valley 8-ply, purchased here in New Zealand, just 100% acrylic. So you can use any DK weight size 3 8-ply yarn of choice for this pattern. And I'm also using an H hook for my sample, but you can definitely try different yarn weights and hook sizes and work with whatever you want to use as far as the yarn you have on hand or that you have near you. So I started working on another square this morning, so I'll just show you what it looks like as you're starting out. You start with a square and then you start working along one of the sides. It's all worked in one piece, so there's no seams involved or no sewing involved in creating the actual squares themselves. The only thing you have to do is sew the squares together. So I'm using slip stitch with my yarn or my crochet hook just to join them together. You could also use a yarn needle and whip stitch if you preferred to sew them together that way. So I have mine arranged in a beautiful diamond pattern. So I'm going to have a diamond shape in the center and a bit of a diamond outline around the blanket in this neutral color. And then at the edges, we just have the traditional log cabin style layout where they're just going in the same direction. So with log cabin style blankets and quilts, you can arrange them in different ways to create unique patterns. So you can definitely be creative and create something unique, but this is what I'm choosing to do for mine. So I have about 5 more squares to complete after I sew this one in, and then my blanket will be finished. And I'm making this for my daughter. It'll be about 70 inches square. When I finished it, actually I'm going to add a bit of an edging as well. So with the edging, it should be about 70 inches square. So it'll be really lovely. And it's a beautiful plushness and texture. This is one of my favorite stitches. This reversible waffle is really handy. A really lovely stitch, easy to work as well. So I hope you check this pattern out. I'll put a link to the pattern in the description box. And again, there is a full demo video which will walk you through how to make the actual squares themselves.